Taking a look today at Tesla, March 14th, 6:30 p.m. over on the East Coast. Looks like another red day for the market and for Tesla. It looks like today we were down 28 bucks, almost 29 bucks, down 3.6% to the downside. So, a couple things here. We pointed out that this low here on the 8th of March, obviously before today, was the higher low. And that was an early indicator of a potential new uptrend to be taking place. Well, obviously, zooming into today, we had an undercut of that low on the 8th of March. So that was not a higher low. So we are still looking for a higher low to take place on the chart. So basically anywhere higher than the low put in on the 24th of February would be a higher low. So it could come in anywhere in this range. We just don't want to undercut that low on the 24th of February. And the reason why we're looking for a higher low is that is what takes place in a new uptrend. You'll get a higher low, which let's say, for example, that is today. You'll get a higher low, and then to follow is you're looking for a higher high to take place, giving you that confirmation of a new uptrend. And that higher high will take out a previous high. And for example, I have a horizontal line just showing right in here as that level to take out. But until we see a higher low take place, and like I said, that could have happened today. We won't know until the price begins to move higher. But we are still in a confirmed downtrend. We have the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And so far, this is nothing but a lower high. And the question is, will today be the higher low? That is the question we are looking for. But we need some upward price action to give us that confirmation that Tesla's going to move higher. Until then, if you're willing to hold the stock through this, excuse me, this volatile time where the price doesn't really make much headway, and you're okay with that, that's definitely possible for a longer period of time here. If we do undercut that low on the 24th of February, we could see quite a drop here for Tesla and perhaps much lower prices, or at least sideways choppy prices to come. So, like I said in prior videos, we really don't want to see that low get undercut. If that can hold, that would be great for the bulls. So that is my stance on Tesla. What we want to see is we need to see a higher low get printed somewhere down in here. And then after that, we're looking for a higher high to get printed. And that'll give us that change in trend for higher prices to come. And I know any of the bulls out there, they're hoping for higher prices to come, but you can't argue with the markets. And right now the markets are in a distribution phase, a base building phase, and what is to come, the charts will tell us one day at a time. And today confirmed that perhaps the lows are not quite in yet. And, maybe today was the low. We'll know moving forward. But we thought the low was on the 8th, that higher low anyways. And today we got proved wrong. So, and that is fine. We just have to be patient with the markets. So that is kind of my thoughts on Tesla. Until we see some strength to the upside, I don't really have much reasoning why not to think the price could continue to head lower. So we will see here. Be patient. At some point, these markets will iron themselves out and head higher. We just don't know when that is. But like I said, we are waiting for higher prices. We want to see some strength come back into this stock before long positions are established. And you can see on these 2 days here, so on the 8th of March and on the 9th of March, that was a good start to getting that higher high we were looking for. But we found resistance at the 200-day moving average on my line, on my chart, which is the red line. And we didn't follow through. We didn't have that third day, that third or fourth, fifth day break, making a higher high. And quickly it was sold into and shut down. And we actually printed a new lower low, at least for the short term. But this is a major low. So if this gets undercut, it could be lights out for a while anyways for Tesla. Now, always keep in the back of your mind that if we get an undercut like that, although the odds favor more downside price action to come for Tesla, or at least a sideways choppy downside move, sometimes when you get an undercut or a breakout above a major level, like this low on the 24th, it could actually be a shakeout and you'll get a extremely strong move in the reverse the following day or very soon thereafter. And that can be, it's a combination of whipsawing and running stops. So that is possible too. And sometimes that will actually spark the new trend in the opposite direction. But the odds do favor that if we do undercut that low on the 24th, that we should expect to see lower prices for Tesla. How long will they last? Well, we obviously do not know, but like I said, we just follow the charts and that'll keep us out of trouble. All right, everybody. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. You got to have some patience out there. Be careful. I believe some of these stocks on the nasdaq actually did undercut that low. I think Apple was one of them, if I'm correct. Let me see if I was correct there. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is a NASDAQ stock, and Apple did undercut that low on the 24th. So that is not a good sign to see, but just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought I saw that earlier today. All right, everybody, be patient out there. Wait for some strength to come back in the markets before getting on board, at least on the long side. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subs. Thanks once again. And of course, not financial advice. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.